Okay, so we'll continue with our tutorial. We'll be we'll be working on select distinct. So let's say we want to have a distinct count of something. So let's say we'll have a distinct count. Let's say we want to select states from students. So we want to select states from students and we'll run. So these are all the states that students come from. Okay, all the states that my students come from. Okay, so what if I want to select, like, what are just all the states as distinct count? What I'm going to use is by select distinct. So I'm going to say select distinct states from customers. In this case, I'm going to say select distinct states from students, and I'm going to run. You're going to see that my students are represented by 8 states. So all my students come from any of these 8 states. So out of the 36 states of Nigeria, there are just 8 states that covers the demography of, or the geography of where my students come from, their states of origin. All right. Let us also look at some other things about. Okay, these are some of the examples we have. Selecting without using distinct, it will list out all the states for us. In this case, all the countries. So what if we want to count? We want to count distinct country. Here we see that our distinct states is just 8. What if we have a higher number? Here we are just seeing that it is 8. What if we have a higher number and we just want to get? So we can actually do a count of our distinct states. All we need to do is to wrap the distinct states in the count, and let's try it. So we're going to wrap our distinct states in the count keyword. So we're going to get our distinct state and we're going to count it. So when we run, we'll still be getting 8. It's easy for us to know that our distinct state is 8 in number because they're just 8. But what if they were about 200? What if we want to get a distinct count and we're getting this and we're getting 200 distinct count? It is easier to get this aggregate value by using the count function. All right.